Hello. I'm going to attempt to cut this in half. Ready, steady.
Oh my god.
Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, I'm here with Maggie. Oh my god, she's fine. We're on our way to Anthony's cottage. And we're gonna go pick up Yuhan right now, and Google Maps is saying it's gonna take like an hour to get to Yuhan's house. Oh, okay.
39 minutes.
Ooh!
So rounding down 30 minutes.
Nice. That's what we wanted. We spent way too long playing Tetris. I wish I got this on camera, but Bailey was being really cute and just sitting on me when we were playing. I think she was trying to protect me or like stop me before I did anything, but it was still really cute. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go eat some Krispy Kreme donuts. Bye.
So while the Toronto kids were embarking on the 3-hour drive, Anna and Anthony started the trip by going grocery shopping for us.
Why would the accounting work out better?
You're not paying for anything, right?
Yeah.
Does that sound right?
I don't know. Hit it again.
It sounds kind of muffled.
Bulk. Okay, now we're getting food at KFC. Ooh, Bowmanville.
This was Anna's first time trying the vegetarian chicken burger, and as you can see, she's very, very excited.
We are waiting for Jameson Wang right now. Wow, this is really blurry. I don't know how to use the camera.
It's for privacy.
Can't look. He said, on my way. I don't know how much of this Lovely can use. It's gonna be like a 10-minute video.
You're gonna record until he comes out.
Well, what if I miss her?
You want to do the highway way or the
Do you want some eggs? No. No, Jameson, I do not want eggs.
What? Let's do the non-highway way.
No, we have eggs. I see him. That's not Jameson.
You guys need eggs, so we have a box of eggs.
Oh, it's okay. We bought a carton. Thank you. Yeah.
130 and 140 are the same.
So you're saying if you speed, you might as well go 140?
That's what those signs are telling me.
The drive to the cottage at night was really scary because there were no street lights on at all. But at least we listened to Hamilton to kind of change the mood.
Where are we? I think we're at the cottage already.
So the Toronto kids arrived first, and we were not sure if we were at the right cottage.
Oh, okay. Well, we're here. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, the bugs!
The other kids finally arrived, and we finally got to tour the house, and it was so cute, so quaint. We spent the rest of the night just catching up and being stupid. It was really nice. I missed it.
Okay, go back. Nice. Oh, what a lad. Look, what a lad. He's such a mad man.
Let's step it up.
What's next?
Half ago today that we would be gathered here in this cottage.
Shut up!
I'm the first one awake, but that's mainly because I kept going in and out of sleep. So just decided to embrace the fact that I'm awake. And I think I'm gonna start the pancakes and breakfast for everyone. It was nice to just go outside and breathe a little bit. Here's a very short tour of the outside of Anthony's cottage. So as you can see, they have a little dock here that looks out into the lake. Ew. Where are you? Ew.
Chef Lovely, what's going on?
I made a happy face. And
Sad face?
no correlation. I'm not one. And of course, one of the highlights of this trip for me was playing volleyball with my friends. Anna was also very dedicated, and she's such a talented volleyball player that her arms got absolutely wrecked. A couple notable mentions from our games are that JMO all of a sudden got really good at volleyball halfway through and kept blocking everything. It was really fun to receive his blocks and destroy my arms too. How fun! After volleyball, we rested for a bit. But Anna and I didn't want to rest for too long, so we decided to move on to the next cottage activity. Anna and I are leaving the land now. Bye-bye. It was a good trip. Oh. Yeah. Why exert so much energy into your legs?
I mean, we're here to relax.
Yeah. Wow. There's the friends. Where are we? What city? We're in Westport now, and we're gonna go get some groceries or just walk around, get your steps. The ice cream.
Ice cream.
Cotton candy. Anna got, what'd you get, Anna?
Black cherry.
Black cherry. That's black cherry? Oh, and then you got
Peach.
yeah. When we got back to the cottage, all the guys decided to take a nap. Again, the girls were pretty restless and just wanted to hang out and do things. So Anna and I pulled some shenanigans, went on a little photo shoot while Maggie set up the drone.
Oh yeah.
Are you okay? You look uncomfy. Jump, jump, jump! Ah! It's kind of windy, huh? For the rest of the afternoon, the girls played some charades and played Song Association Challenge, and then we played some fibbage on Jackbox when the guys woke up. As you can see, Yuhan got wrecked.
We're making pizza.
We're making pizza, and we've already messed up so many times.
We're
It's
making
so
pizza.
We're making pizza. Okay, have fun.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head,
How was I supposed to know that?
I love
I thought it was just a chunk that you could smooth out with the ruler.
get to know me. I'll agree in exchange for your soul, please.
There are too many ingredients.
So we ate our pizza, watched some Mulan, and then drank and played some board games for the rest of the night. Heard.
Thank you, next section.
You're going from
Oh,
this to this, you're supposed to go that way.
why? What's the difference?
Oh, it's easier to get the pit out. And then twist and open.
Isn't it the same way?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
this one's more
it's easier to
circular.
get it out. Up. Up.
Ah!
Taking it all, J-Mo.
We're gonna go hiking.
Where are
Let's
we?
go back, boys.
I don't know.
Beaver.
We're in Beaver.
Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no.
Hello. We got our sticks, so now it's officially a hike.
Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on us soon.
Well, where are they? Oh, there they are. Somebody climb the tree.
We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way.
Cliff diving? Who said cliff diving?
And it don't really matter where
Look at how sparkly the water is. Wow, we're like all sat pretty nice and neat. We're taking a break. Bye.
I forgot. Something trail. We're in Ontario.
Holy Mountain.
Holy Mountain. Check it out sometime. Thank you.
feeling like Pluto.
Checkpoint number 2. Here's the game. Okay, we're finished our hike now. It's a lot of fun. Gonna head back to the cottage.
When it's day, how come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away. Watching you hopelessly.
The line!
Why not? It smells good, right? When the smoke smells good, then you have the smoke and you smell it. What do we
What do they look like underneath?
We should cook them a bit.
Oh, sure.
Hello. I'm going to attempt to cut this down. Ready, steady. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. We're eating now.
Jeez, boy, how do you do that?
Oh, burger.
Oh, it's pretty.
Wow. Service.
That's a neat fork.
It's hot, you're right.
I would like the chopsticks too.
Raptors in 3. Ah, what the fuck?
Where'd it go?
It's okay, I got you with the chopsticks.
Whoa! Oh my god, smoke in my eye. Thank you, Maggie.
It's actually kind of fun.
Yeah. Revive it.
Revive. Again?
Yep.
No.
Even I've had enough. Come on, you people.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is pretty. Do it again.
Pulses.
Graveyard of the Fireflies.
Grave of Wait,
Grave
it
of
kind
the
of looks
Fireflies.
like a bird's eye view of a city. Like on
Whoa! I'm on an airplane. Grad trip. You got this, you hand. It's all you.
Hand.
You and your hand. Ah!
They're like running away.
Oh, it's burning up. Burning up. Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
We should just have a fan.
Go fire! Woo!
Team fire, team fire.
Team fire! So we bought a big bag of marshmallows, but only 3 people out of our group were going to eat them, so that's why we're doing the Chubby Bunny challenge.
Ew. Oh, my hand's like.
Whoa, these are fucking big, dude. Chubby bunny.
Our contestants tonight from the Nam.
Go, come on. Alright, number 3.
And who's our other
From
contestant?
the Peens.
Chubby bunny.
Lovely Don Mendoza.
Oh, you're Dunzo. Come on, let's go. Number 4. 4, this is 4. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
I think we have a winner!
Say it.
This night was fun because we managed to make a fire out of some really wet firewood and wet paper.
4.
And JMO and I made shadow puppets.
our winner!
And when we went inside, we did some karaoke. And then they watched it while I was on my phone. Later in the night, Anthony and Anna went on a walk. And Yuhan, Maggie, and I played Old Maid. On our last day, Yuhan and Anna woke up first and made us some grilled cheese for breakfast.
There are grilled cheeses. We forgot to put guacamole. I don't know if you normally do, but we forgot. See, that's so cool. He checked who was calling him on his Fitbit. Fitbits are so cool. Oh, it's sorry. These are the watermelon slices we're dealing with today. Who cut this watermelon?
Mr. Jameson, you did a great job.
You taste it?
The other half, right?
Yeah.
After breakfast, we played a combination of Old Maid and Set, and after that, we made some tacos for our last meal.
How did the...
Bye-bye, cottage. In the car?
That's the end of the cottage vlog. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Hopefully this isn't the last time you'll see these friends here on this channel and this year. Hopefully you also felt like you were part of the trip.
What does it say? Does it say something?
Does it just say the Big Apple? Yeah.
Yeah.